G'day and welcome to Lacey's Kitchen. Today my niece is joining in for a super simple but very delicious recipe. Today we're making, what are we making?
Cupcakes.
No, we're not making cupcakes. Maybe another time. No, today we're making...
Cake.
Not cake, no. Popsicle cookies. Okay, Lacey, so what are we going to start with?
Knife.
Yeah, knife, yes, and also some cookie dough, pre-made from the shops. Everyone's favorites. So, first we're going to remove this outer edge here and let Uncle Todd do that. Okay, so we're taking the wrapper off our cookie dough. So we're just going to cut it into small little cookie-sized slices.
How we cut it?
Yep, just straight down there, sweetie. Oh, okay, that's actually a lot harder than it looks. This one for you, sweetie.
That one's hard. But
I know, it's got, there we go, just like that. See, it's got cookie chips in it. So while you can do it, you need a good, just back up a little bit. There we go, just go straight down. There we go.
Put it more over.
Up. And straight down. Oh, good girl. Okay, next one.
Why are you holding it?
I'm just holding to help you out there.
I can do it now. You're going to roll it to little balls.
You're going to roll into little balls? Okay, that'll do. See, just make it nice and round.
Very hard with the chocolate chips in it.
I know, but the chocolate chips are the flavour.
I know. I can't see any chocolate chips. I want to do this tiny bit. Because this one's more easier.
Okay, oh, you're doing a fantastic job. That's it.
These ones are hard.
Yep, it's because they're cold.
Let's do a sprinkle.
We're going to do sprinkles? That's right, we've got different types of sprinkles. You can choose any colour that you like. What's your favourite colour out of these two?
Blue.
Blue? Of course it is. Okay, so we're going to pick up one of our cookie dough balls. Anyone? That's right. And we're going to dip it into our sprinkles and just cover up the entire thing. Yep, that's it. Just roll it around in our sprinkles. Yep, keep on going.
I can't.
That's okay. Bit more. Oh, you're doing so well. A little bit more. Here, I'll show you. Watch.
Now I'm
Completely
going
cover.
to do this one.
And you got a red one going there. Orange, I should say.
Orange is my favorite color too. Both of them are my favorite color.
You have so many favourite colours, don't you, sweetie?
Except for green.
You don't like green? That's okay.
That is a booger color.
That's a booger colour.
Freckle!
Freckles? Okay, so we'll try a couple more. Which ones are we going to do? We're going to do bunnies or what's that one?
Green.
Green, good girl. Which one would you want to go first? Bunnies?
Ooh, they can stick.
Oh, they look so much better.
I know. They're coming off.
That's okay, just push down hard. Yep, that's it. They'll stick on very easily. Good
I want
girl.
to leave it like this is pretty like that. Then
Which
I will
one?
do green. This one is a monster color.
Yeah, monster. Do you like monsters?
No,
No.
they can bite us. Cute. That one got green. That one got
Oh
a
no, that's okay. You push them in hard so they stick very well.
I love it like, I am good girl.
Let's do another one. We'll do green again. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that looks so much better, don't they?
Look, they're different
And
colors.
look at the birthday cards I was given not too long ago. Or 4 months ago? Anyway. Okay, one more. There we go. And look at these colourful sprinkles.
These are carrots. This one.
Did you want to try it? See what it tastes like? Oh, I can hear that crunch. There we go. We can put some more on this one. And this one. We want to cover them all the way around. That's it. On all sides. Excellent.
I don't want
Oh, that is so much better.
Can I try all of the
Of course you can.
I never tried these ones.
It goes without saying, you've got to try it before you cook it. No.
Popsicle sticks on
We're
now.
going to put the popsicle sticks on. Okay, so we're going to grab one. Here, I'll show you. Let Uncle Todd show you first. And just push it down just slightly, and that's it. Just a little bit. Just in the middle. There we go. Just halfway, and there. And just do that for each one.
Oh, that one was ruined. There?
Yep. So good at this. There we go. See, we have all of our popsicle sticks.
This one's sticky.
So,
We can't go in the middle, there's a chocolate.
that's okay. We'll just move it on the side there. And just, there we go. Oop. Oh, one of the big ones. There we go. Oh, that's so good.
This green one.
Okay.
Last one.
Excellent.
We're going to put them in the oven.
Okay, and how we're going to do that? We're going to place them on some non-stick baking paper. So just transfer each one onto a tray lined with non-stick baking paper. Oh, they're so colourful, aren't they? Oh, that's a big one. Okay. And just make sure they're nice and straight. Good girl.
This one is my favorite.
I bet you can't wait to try it. Gotta bake it first. See, now we're multitasking, 2 at a time. Excellent. So now we're going to place it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. So we're going to make sure we check the packet description, but ours is for about 10 minutes, just until they're cooked all the way through.
Can I put it in?
You sure can. And look at this, popsicle cookies. You want to give it a try? Have a little nibble? What do you think?
Yummy.
It's yummy? Would you say it's simply delish?
Simply delish.
Simply delish. Mmm. Crunchy. One more. You like it? Thank you for joining Lacey's Kitchen.